Tammy for Just Nailed It, and today we are going to be doing a Betty Boop manicure. I have got 5 white painted nails. I'm going to start with the thumbnail. On my little palette here, I have got black holographic letters that say Betty. So we're going to put these on the nail. I just got here's our red foil. These are the Betty Boop stickers I'm going to be using. I got these, I believe, from Tammy's Manis. These are really super cute. I love Betty. Can't go wrong with the Betty manicure. These came from Charlie's Nail Art. So, you see my little design down here, what's on what nail. I'm going to be using the lips and then the red high heel on that one. Woo! But if you go to Charlie's Nail Art, I am a brand ambassador. You can use my code and save yourself 10% off, and it is, in caps, Nailed It 10. So, go and save yourself some coins. Whoops. So I think that's cute, except for the little mishap with the letters. And that kind of sucks. Okay. So not move everything here. I need some double-sided tape. I have some, I just gotta dig it out. I'm gonna go in now with the lips. And the shoe. I think that shoe is really super cute. It's not a Betty Boop item, but it does suit her. It does suit Betty. Okay. That is all for that sticker. When I top coat, I will be adding some bling onto that nail, as well as the ring or the middle finger. This finger is where I'm going to be adding Betty herself. Thank you for these, Tammy. You know I love Betty. So I'm gonna need my top coat now. I'm gonna be using Ideal Beauty's No Cleanse Top Coat and No Wipe. And I have got some bling set up here to the side that I'm going to be using as well. I have a spinner that I made. I got the bottom, the base from brcxpieces.com. The bow I got from, I think, from Tammy as well. I'm not certain on that. But I made this myself. I couldn't help myself, I just had to. So we're going to top coat Betty because that's the finger sheath and the bow's going to be going on. Make sure you get your sides as well. Cuticle to your free edge, your tip. I'm going to be putting the bow on with some nail glue. And don't put your top coat on so your gems are swimming. Or you could use rhinestone glue. I do have some, I'm just not putting that on today. Boy, nothing wants to come off. There we go. So then we're going to get some of our other bling out here. Nothing wants to come off, not the wax picker upper. Boy, oh boy. So we're just going to kind of bling this nail out a little bit. Just a little bit. Sorry that I'm out of frame here. This looks like a cherry, doesn't it? I got that also from BRC Nails X Pieces. I have a code that is not mine. It is Catherine Ford's in caps KF10. Save yourself 10% off your order there. That one does not want to work. So we'll move on with a different one. Maybe one more rhinestone. There we go. This one I'm going to stick to the lamp so they don't move about. I'm going to hold my hand in with it and give it a flash cure. I'm getting parched. And then I'm going to put it in for a full 60. Alrighty. The mental nail I'm going to do as well. Just like the ring finger. Spread your top coat out evenly. That nail is done. So we go here with our index finger. Spread your top coat evenly. And place me a few random bling on this nail as well. Yeah, nothing's wanting to come off today. Uno más. Uno más. Maybe those. Maybe not. Spread these out a little bit here. I do want another one up top. Put that one in the lamp as well. Let me stick Betty in there so I can cure her as well. And then we'll work on the thumbnail here. And I'm kind of quiet here, aren't I? Like, all just concentrating into the manicure. This is our pinky nail. We got our spinner here. I am put 60 seconds on the lamp. We need this. I have got my Modelones brush on nail glue. That is the glue I'm using today of choice to put the spinner on the nail. So wait till Betty comes out of the lamp and we'll put the spinner on. Let me get me a drink. I'll pause and I'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back. Our nails are out of the lamp. We're sitting off to the side. I want to get the spinner on first and reveal them all together. So put your glue on, let that sit for just a brief moment. Let that sit in the glue before you decide to mess with it. Love me a spinner. Here is our Betty Boop nails for today. I think these are really super cute. Really, really cute. Just the one little mishap here with the tea. In case you're just joining us, there's my little boo-boo for today. But I think these are really cute. I just really love me a spinner. Again, I got the base that I made the spinner myself. Excuse me. Made the spinner myself. I got the base from BRC Nails. xpieces.com. brcnailsxpieces.com with the 10% off code KF10 in caps. Little plug for Brandy and her website there. She is a small business just starting out, so give her some support. Charlie's nail art for my other stickers here. I am a brand ambassador for Charlie. Nailed it 10 all caps. Save yourself 10% off. I really, really like this manicure. Well, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of it. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to do that. Ring the bell. give the video a thumbs up. I know I'm really long-winded here, and I'm sorry for that. Well, have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.